Good morning, dear students. Okay, very good morning to all. Okay, now welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantu. Okay, this is 4th standard class. Subject English. Okay, listen here, students. Yesterday we will start 4th lesson. We will start 4th lesson and we will complete half of the lesson. Which lesson? Lesson 4. Lesson number 4. Lesson name is My Neighbors. My neighbors. Okay. Now all of you open your textbook, page number 34. Page number 34. All of you open your textbook. Okay. Okay, I hope now all of you open your textbook. So I will start the remaining lesson. Okay, my neighbors. Okay, remaining lesson we will start this class. Okay. In previous class, yesterday class we will learn what we will learn. See here, one of the child. My neighbors all about one of the child says his neighbors, all about his neighbors. His name Manav. One of the child Manav, all about he says his neighbors. Okay, about his neighbors. Okay, and first one he introduced Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Okay, Manav, first one he introduced Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Okay, first Mr. Roy is a fixed truck and cars. Okay, truck and cars, and one sometime means Manav broke his bike. That time Mr. Roy fixed it. Okay, next Mrs. Roy is a music teacher. Sometimes she teach to Manav music lessons. Okay, Mrs. Roy is a music teacher. Sometimes she teach to Manav music lessons. Okay, next one is he introduced Dr. Sudha. Okay, first one Manav introduced his neighbors. First one Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Second one he introduced Dr. Sudha. Okay, Dr. Sudha has a lovely Ashoka tree. She has a lovely Ashoka trees. Okay. Then she is a Manav doctor until he was baby. See here. Then she would weigh me and measure me. Dr. Sudha would weigh and measure Manav. Okay, next sometimes Dr. Sudha gave him shorts too. Okay, next he introduced Aunt Sheila. Aunt Sheila. Okay. Next, third time she introduced third person Aunt Sheila. Okay, she is a very old lady, and she lives next door out to Mr. and Mrs. Roy. And in her house she is a porch swing. She has a porch swing. Porch swing means uyale. Okay, next she isn't a really aunt, but she has known about Manav. Okay, Sheila auntie is a very old lady and she uses a cane. Auntie uses a cane when she was walk. When she was walk, she uses cane. Cane means stick. Okay. She is very kind and nice lady. Sheila aunty is very kind and nice lady. I love to help her. See here, Manav love to help her. Always he love to help her and he take her dog for a walk every day. Okay, next he. Both are all. Manav and his neighbors have a department store at the corner street. Okay. In yesterday we will learn this all. Okay, next we will continue. Turn your page 36. Page number 36. Okay. Yesterday I went there to buy milk and apples for Sheila aunty. While I was gone, she made pakoras. We sat on the porch swing and ate pakoras together. Then we also had tea. Sheila aunty has an old book of stories. She read me some funny stories from the book. One story was about a man whose hat blew. Blew means blew. Blew means ಎಸೆಯುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ತೂರಾಡುವುದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay. A man whose hat blew into the gorilla cage at the zoo. The gorilla put on the man's hat and wouldn't give it back. Next, the best of all my neighbors lives next door. His name is Nitin. The best of his neighbors lives next door. His name Nitin. The house he lives in is painted light blue. The house he lives in a painted light blue. Nitin and I are in the same class at school and we play in the same football team. Okay, next, it is Sunday tomorrow and I am going to spend the day at Nitin's house. We shall camp out in the backyard of his house. His dad will put up a tent there under the big tree. We shall have a nice day together. Goodbye. I have to pack my things for the camp. Okay, see here. Yesterday I went there to buy milk and apples for Sheila aunty. See here, Manav already said he always loved to help her. So he went to buy a milk and apples for Sheila aunty. While I was gone, she made pakoras. When he was gone, when he buy a milk and apples to Sheila aunty, that time she made a pakoras and she made pakoras. Then we sat on the porch swing and ate pakoras together. When he was buy milk and apples for Sheila aunty, that time she made pakoras and then both or Manav and Sheila aunty both or sat on the porch swing and eat pakoras together and then we also had tea. Then they also had tea. See here, 8 is a eat fast form. Okay, 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, ಈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಈಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 8 ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. 8 is a eat fast form. Okay, next, Sheila aunty has an old book of stories. See here, Sheila aunty has an old book of stories. She read me some funny stories from the book. One story was about a man whose hat blew into the gorilla cage at the zoo. The gorilla put on the man's hat and wouldn't give it back. Sheila aunty has a old book of stories. She has a book of stories and she read me some funny stories from the book. Sometimes she read to Manav some funny stories from the book. One story was about a man. One story about a man. She told to Manav one story was about a man whose hat blew into the gorilla cage at the zoo. That man who had blew into the gorilla cage at the zoo. See, means ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ತಮ್ಮ ಹ್ಯಾಟನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಗೋರಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಜೂ ಒಳಗೆ, ಜೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಾಲಯ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಜೂ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ತಮ್ಮ ಟೊಪ್ಪಿಯನ್ನು ಒಗೆದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಏನೊಂದು ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. One story was about a man whose heart believed into the gorilla cage at the zoo. Okay, the gorilla put on the man's hat and wouldn't give it back. See here, that gorilla put that hat, but that didn't get back, give it back. Okay, see here, ಅಂದರೆ ಗೋರಿಲ್ಲಾ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತಾ ಬಟ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ನ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾರ ಅವರು. ದ ಗೋರಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪುಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗೋರಿಲ್ಲಾ put on the man's hat but wouldn't give it back, wouldn't give it back, we wouldn't give it back that hat. Okay, next, the best of all my neighbors lives next door. His name is Nitin. See here, his all neighbors are good, but one of the all my neighbors lives next door. His name Nitin. Next one, he introduced Nitin. Fourth one, Nitin. Okay. Fourth one, he introduced Nitin. First one, he introduced Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Second one, he introduced Dr. Sudha. Next, third one, Aunt Sheila. Next, fourth one, he introduced Nitin. Okay. The house he lives in a painted light blue. See here, his house, Nitin's house, lives in a painted light blue color. Okay, Nitin and I are in the same class at the school. Okay, see here, Manav and Nitin are in the same class at school and same football team. Okay, next, it is Sunday tomorrow and I am going to spend the day at Nitin. It is Sunday tomorrow. That time he going to Nitin's house, spend his time with the Nitin. Okay, we shall camp out in the backyard of his house. Both are all means Nitin and Manav camp out in the backyard of his house. His means Nitin house. Okay, his dad will put up a tent there under the big tree. Okay, Nitin dad will put up a tent there under big tree. Okay, we shall have a nice day together. See here, Manav and Nitin shall have a nice day together that Sunday. Nice day together. Then Manav said to ours, goodbye, I have to pack my things for the camp. See here, Manav finally at the end of the chapter he goodbye to ours. Goodbye, I have to pack my things. Manav have to pack his things for the camp and for spend his time with the Nitin. Okay, Nitin's house. Okay, now in this lesson was completed. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Okay, ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾನವನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗು, ಒಂದು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಲಿಟಲ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಆ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೈತಿ, ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೈತಿ. ನೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನೆಯವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತ ನಾವು. ಮೈ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ he introduced Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Okay, first he introduced his neighbors. That neighbor, Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Okay, Mr. Roy is one of the mechanic and Mrs. Roy is a music teacher. Okay, next one he introduced Dr. Sudha. She is a doctor. He is professionally doctor. She knows Manav until the baby. Okay, ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಬಿ ಆಗಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಂದನೂ ಏನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಧಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾನವ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ he introduced Aunt Sheila. she is a old lady. Okay, she is very old, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮುದುಕಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥ ಮುದುಕಿ, Aunt Sheila. Okay, most of the time he spent with her. Okay, and he always loved to help her. Then he introduced Nitin. Okay, then fourthly he introduced Manav, introduced to ours Nitin, one of the last neighbor. Nitin, he is a good friend of Manav. Okay, and he and Manav and Nitin is same class and same football team. Okay, both are all almost Manav the daily every Sunday he spend his time with Nitin's house. Okay, he spend his time with Nitin's house. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. Any problems or confusions, call me. Okay. Next class we will start next poem. I wonder. Okay, I wonder. Next class we will start this poem. Okay. Thank you one and all, and we will meet next class. Thank you.